This is Robert with Pioneer Smokehouses, and today I want to share with you my favorite pellet smoking tray. Now, I used to use a different brand when I first started using these. That brand became unavailable, so I had to buy a couple of different ones until I found this one. And I believe that it's called Kadoof, but you'll see that in the name. And basically, what we have here is an S-curve tray. So what we do is that we have to find a way to light it, and my preferred method of lighting it is to take a piece of a haystack lighter and to put it in here just like that. And then I'll take some pellets. Now today I'm just using some Smokehouse Products mesquite pellets, but that's one of my favorite to use. Then we fill the track and make sure that they're packed in tight. The more smoke that you want, the higher you want to pack this. If you want less smoke, then you want to thin it out a little bit and get it to where it's a lower level. If you fill it halfway full all the way through, you will get a low amount of smoke, somewhere in between 8 and 12 hours, just depending on how fast these burn. But I would count on at least 8 hours, maybe a little more. And it could have a little bit to do with your pellets too. Some more dense pellets may burn a little bit slower. Now let's go ahead and light this and let it get going. I'm going to let this go ahead and light, and then it will burn in there. We are a little windy today, and I brought this barbecue tray over so that way we can let that sit in there safely without worrying about damaging the table. So I'll be back in a couple of minutes and I'll let you know how long that was. It's been about 5 minutes and it looks like it's going pretty good to me. The flames keep going on and off. Now, when you're ready to use it, you'll just take it and blow those flames out and look at that smoke come out really nice and thick. So that's basically it. This will work really good for things like cheese, or to add an extra kick of smoke for your jerky or any other dish that you choose to make. I always use this with cheese and smoke it overnight.